Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. As the December holidays are rearing its head on our doorstep and everyone starts to pack their caravans for that festive season break, one of the things that we never forget to pack when we go on our vacations is a Remoska portable all-in-one cooker. And today I'm going to tell you exactly what that is and how it has revolutionized the way we go camping, both off-grid and when we're at our local resort. All right, the Remoska portable all-in-one cooker, it is not a slow cooker and it is not an electric frying pan. What this is this device replaces the need for a conventional oven inside your caravan. With this device, or culinary invention, you can cook bacon, you can cook eggs, you can cook roast chicken, you can do roast leg of lamb, you can do croissants, you can do scones. Anything that you could make and prepare in a conventional oven, you can prepare in your Remoska portable all-in-one cooker. And like you can see, it is very, very portable, which means it's easy to pack away, and it doesn't take up much countertop space either. In fact, you can use this in your home and save up to 80% of your electricity bill by switching from a conventional oven to the Remoska. All right, the Remoska is so economical. They come in two different sizes. You get a 2 liter, which usually uses about 400 watts of electricity, and there's a 4 liter pot, which uses 580 watts of electricity. In fact, if you look down below me on my right-hand side, I've actually got a portable power station, all right? This is fitted with a 2 kVA inverter and a battery system. So I can show you that you can use this completely off-grid, or you can use it in your caravan if you are going to your local resort and plugging into 220 volts of power anyway. In fact, those of you with home solar installed can run the Remoska as long as you have a 1.5 kVA inverter or bigger. It just depends on your storage device and your battery capacity. All right, this Remoska is running at a special for spring, and we've spoken to the manufacturer. For those of you who order your Remoska this year, will receive a free stainless steel rack. All right, now these are absolutely perfect for those of you who want to cook roast chicken, because as you can see, the roast chicken sits there and the fat drips below. Similarly, if you want to cook bacon and eggs, you can flip it upside down. You can do lovely bits of bacon on the top here with eggs below. It's also great for reheating those cold dishes. If you've done any pre-packed meals that you've bought from Woolies or Pick n Pay or Checkers, any of that, you just put it on the top, switch on the switch, and you are good to go. All right, it's very, very simple and easy to use. As you can see, there's only one button for easy operation, which is either on or off. No preheating is required, and it is a lot more energy saving and efficient than your oven at home. Your oven at home uses 4,000 watts of electricity, your air fryer uses 2,500 watts of electricity, and this Remoska uses 580 watts of electricity. So if you want to know more, please click on the link below, get in touch with the manufacturer, because this is one special that's bound to sell out fast. It's an ideal Christmas present for all the ladies, the men, whether you like on-road caravanning, off-road camping, wherever you are. Trust me, there's only so much braai you can eat. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.
1, 2, 3, and...
Cook it. Every tape, gonna take it, I cook it, shake it, bake it, every flavor, every tape, gonna take it, I cook it, shake it, bake it, every flavor, every tape, gonna take it, I cook it, shake it, bake it, every flavor, every tape, gonna take it, cook it, cook it.